Hi. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently disable Subway Princess Runner game app notifications. So if you are getting a lot of alerts or pop-up from this game app, then follow the steps to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. To do this, you need to access the Subway Princess Runner game app info page, and you can simply do this by long pressing on your app and you should see app info. If you don't see this, you should see a settings gear or even the name of the app. Tap on it to access the app info. So for this tutorial, I'm on a Xiaomi Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. At this point, scroll down and look for permissions section, and under it you should see notifications. Now you can see all these notifications such as lock screen, floating notifications, notification badges, play sound, vibration, as well as permanent notifications are all on. And with this on, you will always receive those notifications. To disable all of them or to turn them off, just toggle show notifications off, and from now henceforth you'll never again receive or see any pop-up alerts from Subway Princess Runner game app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.